Hello all, Ankit this side. In this video, we are going to learn about how to make our EMI as a public EMI. Because whenever we are creating our EMI, by default, our EMI is a private EMI, which we can only see that. Not any other AWS account person can't see our EMI. But if you want, we can make it public so everyone can access that particular EMI. To learn about this particular topic, I have already created one EC2 machine, and with the help of that EC2 machine, I have already created one EMI. So here I'm able to see the EMI, and you can see here its visibility is private. So by default, our EMI is private. If I want to make this particular EMI as a public EMI, we have to select the EMI, go to action, edit EMI permissions. Once we click here we got EMI availability. What is that status? Private. Then we have a public option, but this public option is by default disabled. This particular option is by default disabled. What the first thing what we have to do it is we have to make sure this particular option is enabled, then we can move forward. So how we can do that? Scroll on left side here. Here we are getting settings. Click on these settings. Block public access for EMI. This particular option is by default enabled. So click on manage. Disable this option. Click on update. So type as confirm. Allow public sharing. Done. Now again go to our EMI. Select our EMI. Action. Edit EMI permission. Now you can see here this particular option is enabled. So we are selecting the public. Click on save changes. Done. Now you can see here visibility is showing us as public. So it means this particular EMI is public. So now anyone can have AWS account. If they want to find this EMI, they can find that EMI. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.